Round 19 of the HostPlus Cup, the business end of the season. The Tweed Seagulls up against the Blackhawks from Pigabeen. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. Titans half, Toby Sexton with an early try for Tweeds. On the comeback trail into the game, and great to see him on the score sheet. Tremaine Spry with this try in the 10th minute. Scott Galliano with another Tweed try, this time in the 13th minute. With 8 minutes left in the first half, Will Brimson crossed for Tweed. At the break, Tweed were in front, 20 points to 0. Josh Paxton crossed for Tweed in the 53rd minute as they extended their lead. Seven minutes later, and Paxton was in again for the Seagulls. Then in the 72nd minute, a second try of the afternoon for Tremaine Spry. And the last try came in the 77th minute through Jermaine Azarko. In the end, Tweed defeating the Blackhawks 42 points to 0. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.